Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Tordeviscos Alto. We're in a complex called Andalucia. Some people call it Balcon de Andalucia. It's got a great view from this apartment. We're going to be looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with a little twist because there's another single bed in there as well, perfectly private. And the property has been renovated recently as well, so it looks really nice. So let's have a look around. So we're just coming through here in the main entrance, and straight away we get this view here, and it looks really nice. It's been modernised. Kitchen on the right hand side. Good modern kitchen with a proper oven as well. As I've said before in some of my other videos, it's nice to have an oven and a proper cooker there because you might not want to go out every night to eat. Really well set up. Breakfast bar there. And then sofa. If I turn you round to the left here, a nice TV there in the middle and some furniture there. Now all of this furniture is staying, so we go back to the door and we look through there. So as I say, on the right hand side we've got the kitchen, but then on the left hand side we've got one of the bedrooms. So we've got a toilet here, so this would be the toilet really for visitors as well. It's not actually en suite as such. Got your washing machine, and then you've got a double bedroom here with a wardrobe. And then through here, what they've done, they've extended a bit out onto the terrace there, so you've got a single bed and a wardrobe as well. Which is, this is not your second bedroom, the one that we've just been in here. That is not your second bedroom. Your second bedroom's round there, it's an ensuite. So let's go and have a look at that. Back down past the kitchen into the lounge. There's the terrace, which we'll have a look at in a second. And then here on the left hand side, again, double bed, good sized bedroom this. Plenty of storage space. And a nice modern bathroom as well, with a shower and the toilet. And then straight out here onto the terrace. This is a fabulous terrace. We're just going to get the sun. You can see the sun just coming on here now. Probably 10:30 at the moment, 10:30 in the morning. You can see out through there, you can see La Gomera, which means that you'll be getting sunsets here as well. And a good sized terrace. 2 beds and a table for 4. And a pleasant view. So you can see the pool, but it still feels private because you've got the trees there as well. It's a nice apartment. It's on the end of a row, so it's they put this up here just to give a bit more privacy, and then down there there's just some stairs. So it seems secure enough. Sunblind. So that's our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a bit of a twist because you've got the other single bed there as well in Andalucia in Tordeviscos Alto. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.